ladies, this is a skirt, is a tube skirt. Yes, if you want to see a tutorial on how I arrive at this style, let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to show that video for you. Now let's jump into today's video. Welcome back. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Yes, ladies, some of you might be wondering, I cut my hair, everything, all the way to the down, and this is all I have left. I'm not sure how long I'm going to rock this look, but you all will be seeing this look in so many of my videos until I get tired. Then I'll pop in wig every now and then, but this is going to be my look for a while. Like, it's going to be for a while. Anyway, for today's video, I am going to be restyling this top. Let me move a little bit back for you to see it. I'm going to be restyling it in several ways. Also, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be turning this top into a skirt. Actually, this video is a request from one of my fellow YouTuber, and also she's my subscriber too. So she requested to wanted to see how I turn this into a skirt, because I made mention of that in one of my video, and I inserted a picture of it, so she was like, you know, curious to see how I did that. I'm going to be turning this top into a skirt that will even have two pockets, that you can even post with a picture with it if you are in love with that kind of style, to know to put your two hands in your pocket and take a picture.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
So this top is Michael Kors top. It's a medium size. It's not my perfect size. That's why I'm very conscious of, you know, adjusting the fronts. I wear size small on my upper body and medium on my lower body. But that's not the case. The case and the reason why we're here today is for you all to see how I'm gonna style this top. Alright. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. If you like my content or you just like my vibe, please subscribe to my channel, and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and without wasting much of your time, I'm going to jump right into this video. During the tutorial of this, I will not be talking, and the reason is because what I'm going to be doing is very self-explanatory. So you don't need any form of voiceover or for me to explain what I'm doing. You are going to see it. It's easy and peasy, easy to go. Alright, ladies, so thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and that season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam.
Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I